हमें आप मिल गई ज़रियाब और अदीला। अच्छा, आपने क्या सवाल पूछ रही थी आप? जब हमने परमिशन ली नादिया से कि
हम आपसे बात कर लें ऑन
हाँ।
कैमरा, वो सवाल यही था कि व्हाई इज अदीला नॉट लीविंग अहमद ज़रियाब भाई, इतनी पढ़ी लिखी, इतनी क्वालिफाइड खातून जिसकी माँ भी सपोर्ट कर रही है।
देखो, अदीला आई फील एक तो इज अ क्लासिक केस ऑफ स्टॉकहोम सिंड्रोम.
Oh, it is.
You know, she sort of has put her abuser.
But sorry to cut you off, but she did leave बीच में.
Not really. वो kind of, you know, telling her mother that I'll go back. I've not left him. So in her, I think, in her mind, it was always तड़ियाँ देना and धमकियाँ देना and, you know, and also just wanting to get out of that toxic space with her kids. But I think with Adila also there's a lot of who is her father, childhood trauma, backstory. Why is she so insecure? Why did she need this man for external validation? And this also, you know, sometimes the victim is also a bit toxic.
Oh, interesting. Sometimes the victim is also a bit toxic.
Yeah, because
Amna, do you agree?
Yeah.
Choosing to stay,
victim भी इंसान ही है ना.
but choosing to the choice to remain a victim, the conscious choice.
Conscious choice. You think it's a conscious choice?
Definitely. I think she knows she can leave. She knows there's her mother's support is there. She has the financial, you know.
Also, she's kind of prioritizing her toxic husband over her kids, which I don't.
Absolutely. I mean, her husband, she's sort of drowned in that obsession a little bit. She's moving more and more. I mean, like her kids are already moving away from the house, and. But I think she is toxic as well in many ways. She knows she handles the house, the finances. It's because of her that he has this one. She knows it. I think there's a time she also learns about herself. Okay, why am I doing this?
Yeah.
मैं कर क्या रही हूँ? And I think Penny's death is a huge wake-up call for her. Huge wake-up call for her to face herself. I think in my inner dialogue, Adila's inner dialogue at that time was very much like a, you know, like you suddenly had a splash of cold water on your face and you're like, but where अपने आप को मैं कहाँ ले आई? So I think
बड़ी मुश्किल से इनका माइक चले. पिछले पौने घंटे से वो कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
Is that could be us?
Our flight's been delayed
Till 5.
Yeah, but I have another question. Can you explain Husna the same way you explained Adila?
हाँ जी.
Husna's classic narcissist, like Zaryab.
She's the female version of Zaryab.
And she is someone who grows like a you know, like one of those swamps that just grows on external validation.
तो लेके आओ
क्या जाके लेके आओ. She just grows on external validation. She just glows, and the excitement, even यहाँ तक that she's willing to humiliate any number of people, her fiancé, to gain that external validation. You know, so that the power of external validation and the power of fame.
कोई प्यार व्यार तो नहीं है ना उसको?
ये जब किसी को जब वो इतना चस्का होना शोहरत का. शोहरत एक बहुत.
लेकिन बीच में उन्होंने इस तरह के हमें ऐसे मतलब किस्म के सीक्वेंसेस दिए हैं जहाँ पे लगता है कि ओ मे बी.
वो तो आप अपने आप को फूल करते हो. अब you fool yourself. You start believing things for yourself for a little while. You start the romance of it. I definitely think Husna is involved in the romance of
romantically inclined towards Zaryab, little bit.
The romance of Husna Hussain Husni, and Husna Hussain Husni potentially in love with this great poet. The romance of that thought, the idea of that, I think Husna is attracted to. But she's not really. She's not a. जिसना कहते हैं ना, sometimes you meet people in life and you really like them, and the reason why you really like them is, you know, I really like you because you're authentic, you're real. Now there's none of that authenticity or that realness, that groundedness in Husna or in Zaryab. They live in this mentally unwell world where they need this external validation desperately. They're actually very vulnerable.
Yeah.
Because if they don't get that external
Yeah, they'll start to
validation,
crumble.
then what happens? Look what happened to Penny.
चला भाई नहीं चल रहा हेलो हाय 1 2 3 से आगे नहीं बढ़ते भाई इंटरेस्टिंग आपने पूरा इंटरव्यू कर लिया यार
मैं बड़ी अच्छी इंसाइट थी
इनसाइट
Because,
अच्छी है
हाँ,
मुझे
बहुत
आज ये मैं टर्म आपकी सॉरी अब चोरी करने वाला हूँ टॉक्सिक विक्टिम ये अच्छी लगी क्योंकि 99
आपने इस ट्रिप में दो नई टर्म्स
दो एक पॉजिटिव मैस्कुलिनिटी
व्हिच इज एक्चुअली वेरी इनकरेक्ट
और टॉक्सिक victim
Well,
because
I mean, yeah, there is positive.
but then you know this is going to open a Pandora's box.
Huh?
masculinity should be positive.
Look, Mr. and Mrs. Shamim,
Yeah.
I think Numan Ijaz is really exploring different aspects of masculinity in it.
Yeah, absolutely.
No, but tell me something. This is obviously now going to open Pandora's box. 99% of our female characters are then toxic victims.
No, of course not.
All of them.
Yes.
99% of our.
No, no.
देखो, there is
Because
a-
you're
in-
saying
in-
that they can get out of that
in
situation.
psychology, na,
99% can't get out.
psychology में there is a victim, there is a drama triangle. Drama triangle is V for victim, P for perpetrator, R for rescuer. If you have a God complex, a rescue complex, I'll fix you. She's okay because of me. I'll tell you what you are. Or if you're a victim and you're choosing to stay in that, or if you're a perpetrator, you're in the drama triangle and there is always a way out. Yaar, there is always a way out.
I think that is a message for all women who feel that they are victims.
That there is
There
always a way.
always
out.
a way out.
There is always a way out. I work with children and with women who really, one would think, how did they survive what they've survived? But they have, you know, and there's always a way to realize that your dignity is not worth the trap that you've allowed yourself to, cornered yourself
ये
into.
आप देख रहे हैं ये ब्लॉग हसन चौधरी
मैं
पे
बहुत-
लेकिन असल में ये बिलोंग करता है आयु पे इसको क्रॉस शेयर करेंगे This is to motivate women that there's always a way out.
Cross-
There's always a way out.
बट ये इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन इसलिए भी है बिकॉज हम अक्सर ये कहते हैं अपने रिव्यूज़ में कि फॉर सम वुमेन देर इज़ नॉट अ वे आउट सो मैं जानना चाहूँगा और आप और मे बी नादिया कैन हैव अ डिटेल्ड कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑन दिस वेयर आई वुड वांट टू सी वेयर इट गोज़
Yeah.
बिकॉज अक्सर किरदार जो हम अपने ड्रामों में देखते हैं उनको देख के ऐसे लगता है कि वो बेचारी ये और क्या करे
Look, I do believe this, that for some women, it's extraordinarily difficult. It's extraordinary, especially with children, it's extraordinarily difficult to think मैं इनको लेके कहाँ जाऊँगी when I don't have family support, I don't have financial support. But my belief is, and I genuinely believe this because he's promised it twice. कि अगर मुश्किल है तो साथ में आसानी है. तो वो आसानी जो है ना, वो मैं उससे मांगूँ तो वो मुझे दिखाता है. वो आपके इर्द गिर्द भी क्या रिसोर्सेज हैं, मुफ्त के क्या रिसोर्सेज हैं.
तो इतनी बोर हो गई हूँ, वो खाने की ओर चली गई उन्होंने कहा कि कुछ
तो हमारा अब रेफ्यूजी स्टेटस
मैं अब पे सीटिंग शुरू कर दूँ
मैं यहाँ पे बिस्तरा
मेरा stress
एक टेंट
eating
तंबू लगाने लगी हूँ उसके लिए. इसको बुखार है. मैं
ये स्ट्रेस ईटिंग है अब मैं चिप्स खाने लगी हूँ
चिप्स खाएं आप मदीना ज़रा